Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. How are you all? Hope everyone is fine. Myself Tulu Bhaiji. Today we are going to start a new topic that is from English grammar. Lesson number 11, jumble words. Now can anyone tell me what is the meaning of jumble words? The words are given you but it has given in a jumble form. Jumble means आगे पीछे. Okay, wrong form. रॉन्ग मतलब जैसे अभी हॉर्स की स्पेलिंग दी है HORS हॉर्स है राइट, लेकिन ये SHROE दिया हुआ है. आपको पिक्चर में तो हॉर्स दिया है, तो ये आपको आगे पीछे स्पेलिंग करके दी हुई है. सो वी हैव टू रीअरेंज दी लेटर्स. Okay, so that is called jumble words. So moving to the exercise. Exercise A. Rearrange the letter below each picture to get the correct words. Okay, already they have given here the letters. Okay, now we have to correct the words by seeing the picture. So moving to the first one. A. What is seen in the picture? It's a horse, right? So what is the horse spelling? HORSE, horse. Here they have given you in a wrong form, so we have to write in a correct form. What is the second one? It's a banana, right? What is the spelling of a banana? BANANA, banana, right? And how spellings are given here? It's in a jumble form. Moving to the third one. What is this? Guess. It's a tomato, right? And what is the tomato spelling? TOMATO, tomato. Here the spelling is given in a jumble type. Moving to the fourth one. What is this? You all must be knowing this very well. Come on, students. You can see by the picture. Yeah, it's a boat. And what is the boat spelling? BOAT, boat. Okay. And what they have here written here? TOBA. It's a wrong spelling, right? So we have to write correct spelling. Moving to the fifth one. This is my kid's favorite. What is it? Yeah, it's a cake. Now the cake spelling is wrong. So what is the spelling of correct cake? CAKE, cake. Moving to the sixth. What is this? Now this is a wheel. What is this? This is a wheel. And what is the spelling of a wheel? WHEEL, wheel. What is the seventh one? Orange. Yeah, tangy orange, right? And what is the correct spelling of an orange? ORANGE, orange. Now the orange spelling is given here, but it is in a jumble form. So we have to write the correct words. Moving to the last one. What is this? This is fence. Okay. So what is the spelling of a fence? FENCE, fence. Okay. So moving to the exercise B. Rearrange the letters below each picture to get the correct words. These all are words for many and ends in S. As we have read earlier, we have to use S. Okay? Like, if there is a one thing, we have to simply write the name. But if there are many things, we have to add S at the end. Okay? So it will be a many. Many means one more than one. Moving to the first one. What is the first word given here? It's a brinjal. You can see by the picture. Okay, how many brinjals are there? 2. right? So we have to use S at the end, right? Two brinjals are there. If one is there, we can simply write brinjal. But if more than one is there, we have to write brinjals. Yes. And what is the spelling? Brinjals, brinjals. What is the second? It's very funny. What is this? Clowns. What is the spelling of a clowns? Clowns. It's more than one, so we have to add S at the end. Moving to the third one. What is this? Kite. Here the spelling is given in a jumble form. So we have to write in a correct form. What is the spelling of a kite? K-I-T-E, kite. But it's more than one. 1, 2, 3. Okay, so we have to add here S. Okay, it's a kites. Moving to the fourth one. What is this? Table. Okay, what is the spelling of a table? Now, how many tables are there? It's 2. So, we have to write tables. And what is the spelling of a tables? T-A-B-L-E. And we have to write S because it's more than one. Next one. Fifth. What is this? This is a toes. Right, toes. And what is the spelling of a toes? T-O-E-S. Why S? Because it's more than one person. Okay, we are having 2 toes, right? Every person is having 2 toes. And here there are 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 toes are there, means there are 2 persons. So that's why we are adding S. Next one. Monkey. Okay, now how many monkeys are there? 2, more than 1. So what will be the spelling? M-O-N-K-E-Y-S. Monkeys. Yes, it is a more than 1. What is the seventh one? Hen. Now, how many hens are there? 3 hens are there, right? More than 1 is there. So, we have to add S at the end. So, what is the correct spelling of a hen? H-E-N-S. H-E-N-S. Hens. What is the last one? The last one is flowers. How many flowers are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. More than one flower. So, we have to write flowers. So, what is the spelling of a flowers? F-L-O-W-E-R-S. Flowers. Okay, students? So, you understanding the concept well? What is jumble word? Yes, the words are given, but it's in a jumble form. We have to write the correct spelling. So students, till then, take care, stay home, stay safe. Allah Hafiz.